Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Hanoi, Vietnam, and in this video I wanted to show you guys what can $100 per week get you in terms of accommodation in Vietnam. Look at this thing, man. I don't know how to go from here. There's a bus. That's the sidewalk. It's one thing that I hate, absolutely hate about Hanoi and Vietnam is that nobody cares about the sidewalks. I mean, look at this guy. He's completely blocking the sidewalk. You see? It's so crazy. Now, how am I gonna go? Like walk from here, maybe? And you just saw, like, if I walk on the main road in here, I must probably be hit by a car or something. So that's something that I don't like about Vietnam. The government will have to bring some changes to this, you know? You see these bikes, they're all parked on the sidewalk. So, but anyway, so like I said, I wanted to show you in this video what $100 can get you in terms of accommodation in this city. I literally booked this room last night. It's an Airbnb, and it looks very good in the pictures, but let's see how it is. I'm a bit early for check-in, but I asked the owners if I can check in early, and they were okay with it. So I'm now walking towards there. Oh my God. Look at these bikes. Man, it's supposed to be a sidewalk, but I'm walking on the main road. You see that? There's a salon. Frying some kind of meat. Okay, I think I am about to arrive in here. Okay, I think this is it. That's where our room is. That's what he said. I have to go inside from here. Let me quickly check my check-in instructions. So there's no front desk or anything to go and get the key. I'll have to do it myself. There should be a box with the password so I can get my key. Okay. Right. So we walk here. Oh, okay. So that's the door to the building. Right. So that I'll have to enter one of these passwords. And that's, wait, do I have to press anything else? Yeah. Right. Okay, door is open. I have to go up now. Okay, here is where I enter my second password. Okay, there's the room. Okay, let me find out where the lights are. Here's the key. That's where they left the key for me. Okay. I'll drop my bags. Oh my God. Alright, that's the lights. Alright, let me show you guys the room. It's a very big bed. This is a queen size probably. There's a sofa with a nice cover. And here is a desk. With a water bottle and the boiler. There's a mirror. It's a pretty big TV. I don't know, like looks like it's 60-70 inches. But here's the room, yeah. Very basic, very nice. Okay, that's a window which just looks outside. Well, the room looks nice and clean. I'm very happy with it, but there's no attached shower or bathroom. I'll have to go to this second floor, or like, no, this is second floor, so that'll be third floor. And the toilet plus the shower is shared with other roommates or other people in this apartment. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is what I got for $100 US. Well, I paid in Canadian dollars, which was like 143, exactly $143, which is around 100 probably 102 or 3 American dollars. And yeah, here we go. I mean, it's very cheap for 1 week. It's great. I mean, I get like my own Wi-Fi and a very nice bed. Yeah, the bed is very good. It's very comfortable. Do I have an AC? Ah, yeah, there's the AC over there. A very tiny, small refrigerator. So I'm very happy with my decision to rent this room. I actually looked at a few hotels yesterday. They were all like, if you want to get like a proper room or a nice room, it will cost you around 200 to 250 US dollars per week, which is not bad, which is very cheap still. But this room, I mean, this can work for me. I actually was looking for a gym in this area yesterday, and just like probably in 100 meters from this building there's a gym that I'll get the membership for 1 week or 2 weeks for whatever long I am staying in here, and that'd be very nice, so I can just walk to the gym. And the reason why I wanted to stay closer to the gym is because if the weather, it sometimes rains, so I don't want to be like far from there. So yeah, that's the reason I'm staying in here. And this area is very close to the old city. Yeah, we'll go out and explore those places as well. But here we are. This probably is the shortest video I've ever made, and thank you very much for watching.